Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai teman-teman, kembali lagi di channel Mandi Ujang Project. Di video kali ini Mandi Ujang Project kembali lagi ya mengupdate video terbaru dari Mandi Ujang Project, yaitu seputar kuda pacu. Kali ini Mandi Ujang Project berada lagi di lintasan Pacuan Kuda Karsut Bangka ya. Ingin melihat aktivitas atau sesi latihan di sini. Dan yang kali ini sudah masuk ke dalam lintasan, yaitu Putri Afisa ya. Ini dari Deras Tetap yang sudah mulai latihan, dijoki langsung oleh Riri. Dan sebelum lanjut lagi, Mandi Ujang Project mengingatkan kembali agar terus support channel Mandi Ujang Project dengan cara like, komen, dan subscribe, serta share video-video dari Mandi Ujang Project agar Mandi Ujang Project semakin bersemangat mengupdate video-video terbaru seputar kuda, apalagi khususnya untuk kuda pacu. Jadi kita lihat ya aktivitas latihan untuk kali ini. Semoga berjalan lancar. Cuaca pun mendukungnya, tidak hujan, karena kalau hujan biasanya kuda-kuda mengalami masalah dalam kesehatannya ya. Oke, kita saksikan sama-sama aktivitas latihan kali ini ya.
I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright.
Ini kuda-kuda dari Deras Tetap juga sudah mulai masuk ke lintasannya. Yang ini race mob ya, cahaya race mob yang dijoki oleh joki nuntung atau basir ya. Dan ini angin timur yang dijoki oleh gugur. Jadi bakal dilatih bareng.
Yeah, let's go. I don't wanna break down. Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy. I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? steady, still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it,
yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. I'm confident, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, better back, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a pack, don't react, no react. Think I'm black, up his back. While I rap, not to step, throw a jab, even crack. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than both plans. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Yes and nah, that I'm right, yeah. Cause I'm in the zone and you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose one. Well, here I go, all these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, looking for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
and I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it,
yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion in depths when it happens. Factions take actions, drafting their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status, facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction, avoid the distractions. I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits. I don't fucking ask this, I just fucking grab it. I am never static, massively active, expanding, backslid, planning to have it. So I will go capture it, and I'ma stay after it. I'm gonna fucking master it. We were alright, staying awake, nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was life, staying out late, testing our fate, running away.
Ini jadi hal yang menarik ya, karena comebacknya salah satu kuda top yang dimiliki JH ya, yang mungkin saja bakalan meramaikan event yang bakalan bergulir ya di Jeneponto ini, Sulsel. Tak belum tahu dia bakalan masuk di event dalam waktu yang dekat atau hanya menjaga kebugarannya ya. Ini di kelas CD selalu menjuarai ya, menjuarai kelas-kelas sprint untuk si Jetstar ya, kuda yang dimiliki Deras Tetap. Dan kali ini Jetstar langsung dibawa balik ya, karena segera ingin diraut ya, apalagi terkena guyuran air hujannya. Oke, mungkin cukup sekian ya video mandi Hujan Project kali ini. Terima kasih banyak yang sudah menonton dari awal sampai akhir. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe. Yang sudah subscribe terima kasih banyak, dan yang belum silahkan subscribe serta share video-video dari Mandi Hujan Project. Oke, sekian video dari Mandi Hujan Project. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya.
How